Hey guys, it's Mashaba, and today's video is going to be a review on the brand new Glossier Pro Tip Liquid Eyeliner. This is going to be my first time reviewing it, so let's see how it goes. This eyeliner packaging is real cute. It's all about the little fine details, and the swatch seems pretty nice. It doesn't seem like the most black eyeliner out there, but also I know that's like Glossier's branding, like no makeup, feeling your best, natural and all that shit, which I'm really living for. I mean, as you can see, I'm not wearing much makeup. Like, I'm only wearing like eyebrows and bronzer because, you know, I'm trying to embrace the no makeup, and also because I'm gonna be late for class, so I need to shut the fuck up and get into it. On the website, it says, pro tip is everything you want in a liquid eyeliner. It draws the sharpest line, comes in the truest black, and doesn't budge, with no tricky time-sucking application, redoing the line, getting it even, and using all the makeup remover. The pen's brush tip is designed with flexible fibers that hug the curve of the lash line, allowing for precise definition. It's densely pigmented, buildable formula, dries quickly so it's smudge resistant and stays put for 12 hours, plus an internal ball shaker that lets the formula flow evenly, giving you a smooth line that doesn't drag every time. Based on the swatch, it doesn't seem like the most black eyeliner I've ever seen in my life, but I do admire the ball shaker thing. I like how they pointed that out, because personally for me, I find that eyeliners that have like this ball shaker shit, they tend to end up being more high quality because it's there to always make sure that the pigment is there. Like, you get what I mean? Okay. The one thing that I really like to do with eyeliner first is that I like to shake it up, and then I like to put it on the back of my hand. Okay, this seems really liquidy. Now that I'm like layering it up, it does look very black compared to this swatch. This one definitely looks blacker, so they're not wrong about it being black. Like, it looks really dope. Whoa! She's pigmented. Oh, I fucked it up. Okay, one thing I like to do, if I'm too lazy to get makeup remover, I just use my saliva to take it off, and it works just as good. Okay, that actually went on really nicely. That went on like a wet dream. That was so nice. And like, one thing a lot of the times with felt tip eyeliners is that they make my eyes water because I always have to go back and forth, but this, straight up, I did the most gentle strokes and it turned out really nicely. And it doesn't feel like those eyeliners that are so waterproof that it makes my eyes feel like it's dried up. Like, it actually feels nice on the eye. Like, damn. Now I'm gonna do the other eye. Wish me luck. Okay, this is definitely not looking like this. Oh no, I fucked it up. Not the most even eyeliner, but even enough. Application wise, I think this went beautifully. I really love how this went on. This went on so fast, and it went on really pigmented. A lot of eyeliners have to go back and forth, but this actually went on like a dream come true. This was the shit. It doesn't claim to be waterproof. It just says to be smudge resistant and long wearing, so keep that in mind. You know, if I cry, because you know your girl has depression, if I cry, it's not guaranteed for this to stay on, so let's hope I'm not sad. But I am gonna do a check-in, and I'm gonna wear this throughout the day, and I'm gonna let you guys know how this wears. But application wise, this is fucking great. Like, this is gonna be my new bitch. Okay, it's the end of the day. Sorry if I look really wasted. I'm just doing so many different things and I'm really tired right now. So that's how you know it's time for a check-in. I'm about to zoom you in on my greasy and oily ass eyelids so y'all can see how this eyeliner held up. Basically, it looks exactly the same. Like, I think this held up really well, especially because I have oily ass eyelids. Like my eyelids are super oily, and also I'm one of those crazy bitches who are so dedicated to skincare that I actually reapply my sunscreen, and oftentimes when I reapply my sunscreen I get on my eyelid and it ends up taking off my eyeliner, but I didn't even touch it up and it's still there. So I think it does a really good job so far. Overall, I'd say this is definitely worth it in my opinion. I haven't tried this over a long period of time, so I don't know how long it's gonna last you because this product came out, but overall, I think it's worth it. I think it's a great eyeliner. I think it went on really well, and I think it lasts really well, and I have super oily eyelids, and this shit actually held up, which is really impressive. So yeah, overall, if you want to get it, go get it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!